Hey guys, it's the 9th of December. We have this gold, wish it were, but it's only brass, padlock with a cut shackle, with the stump still being in there. No key, but we have a keyway. Actually, just let me see. Yeah, it is bypassable. That doesn't count, I just wanted to try. I don't want to cut myself on that. I think that's there. Okay. Let's see if we can open this now. By picking instead of bypassing. Have a nice big keyway, so that is at least something. Yeah, okay, maybe we should take this one. Maybe we will need a different tensioner. Okay. Yeah, I thought so. At least now I can get to the pins in the back. There we go. Stuck on pin 1. Haha. All right. That goes on the tree. And let's see, I think it makes sense to put it there. There you go. That is the 9th lock on the Christmas tree for 2023. Alright. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.